Are you looking to start SEO services in South Africa in 2024? SEO services help businesses rank higher on search engines for increased visibility. The first step is to understand the South African digital. Register your business with the appropriate authorities and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Determine your business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, company, and register accordingly. Develop a brand identity including a business name, logo, and website. Your website should showcase your expertise and the services you offer. Optimize it for search engines to attract potential clients. Optimize your website for search engines using relevant keywords. Offer free SEO audits to potential clients to showcase your skills. Decide on the services you'll offer such as SEO audits, on-page optimization, content creation, link building, and analytics reporting. Determine your pricing strategy based on your costs, competition, and the value you provide. The going rate in South Africa for professional SEO is between 550 Rand to 1,500 Rand per hour based on the expertise and experience of the agency. Build a strong social media presence to attract clients. Network with local businesses and attend industry events. Consider partnering with existing digital marketing agencies in South Africa. Stay current with SEO trends and algorithm changes to provide effective services. Invest in SEO tools to help streamline your processes. Provide case studies and testimonials from satisfied clients on your website. Set competitive pricing for your SEO services tailored to the South African market. Focus on delivering quality results to grow your client base through word of mouth. Continuously monitor and adjust your SEO strategies for maximum impact. Be transparent with clients about your processes and expected results. Consider offering additional services like content marketing or social media management. Build a strong portfolio of successful SEO campaigns in South Africa. Collaborate with other SEO professionals in South Africa for insights and support. Utilize local SEO directories to increase your online presence. Engage with your audience through informative and engaging content. Stay adaptable and be willing to adjust your strategies as needed. Promote your SEO services through targeted marketing campaigns. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly for users in South Africa. Stay ethical and transparent in your SEO practices. Consider offering discounts for new clients to attract business. Seek feedback from clients to improve your services. Always stay informed about changes in the South African digital landscape. Monitor your competitors to stay ahead in the SEO industry. Focus on building long-term relationships with your clients. Advertise your SEO services through targeted social media campaigns in South Africa. Once you have clients, deliver tangible results and provide excellent customer service. Satisfied clients can lead to referrals and repeat business. Network with other industry professionals to expand your reach. Keep learning and evolving to stay competitive in the SEO market in South Africa. Prepare to invest time and effort into growing your SEO business. Stay passionate and dedicated to providing top-notch SEO services in South Africa. It takes most people 1 to 3 months to learn SEO tools and techniques and 6 months to a year to perfect them through practice. Of course, this depends on several factors like how much time you can devote to studying, how quickly you pick up new information, and whether or not you can take a class. SEO is profitable and can provide sustainable revenue if implemented properly. With this reliable revenue, hiring new team members and scaling your company can become more manageable. Starting an SEO business requires dedication, persistence, and a commitment to delivering value to your clients. With the right skills and strategies, you can build a successful SEO business in South Africa.